Slow, too slow, oh, too fast. Okay, that's the right speed. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day. To anybody out there. All right, so yesterday oh, don't do this to me. Okay. So now we're going to try multiple tasks. So we have two different tasks that we're testing to start, and then we'll continue from there. We're trying to do the web grid. Looks like this. So the thing should just, and the other task we're going to do is just open a Gmail and compose an email. So it's that simple. All right, so the first thing we need to do, is we need to get the description of the task and pass it to the model and integrate that information somehow. All right, so we will just get the description. We will tokenize the description. Tokenize. It's always annoying to have a check accuracy function because you just have to do everything twice. It's easy to mess stuff up because I just forgot to do that. Okay. Task tokens. What is the task? What are you working on? Okay, so now we're passing the task tokens, which will just be something like, compose an email. So the most obvious way to integrate these task tokens would just be the task tokens we want. So the question is, how do we make it not be causal, the attention mechanism not be causal for the first part of the token? So talks in there. Hmm. Crap, this is going to be a problem. This is why I hate using like Hugging Face. Wait a second, you know what? It doesn't really matter. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. It can be causal. It's okay. Because at inference time we'll have it, so it's fine. It doesn't really matter if it tries to train. So here I'll add the tokens embed. Actually, we'll put it on the beginning. It's important that we put it on the beginning. So we concatenate along the sequence dimension. Yeah. Then we pass all tokens. So batch sequence dimensions, global task length. So here, I always forget. Remove first token. So it's like global task length. So it's like the rest of them that's not. So that's right, I think. Look at me getting good at stuff. All right, let's see if this works. Okay. That's what's training. Okay. So let's, oops. Okay. So I'm just going to hard code this and test it. Okay. Kill it there. Run this app. Run inference front end. What? Need to add a batch dimension. Always got to be adding batch dimensions. Okay. My guess is I'll need to train. Okay, let's see what it does. Also, oh. Oh, let's go. Come on. It did it. Valentine's Day. Okay. Let's see what it tried to do there. So pass my starts showing daddy mouse move. mouse position XY. Oh. Process these logs. Okay. What's happening? Let me check this real quick. So we're just going to train it on the opening of Gmail. I just want to make sure it's working. There's going to be no test data. Yeah, let's I'm actually going to pull this for now. The opening the Gmail is not generic at all, so I'm allowing it to overfit. That's fine. Right now I'm just testing, can it look at the overall description of the, like this description, click the blue square as fast as you can, versus open Gmail and compose a new email. Can it look at those two different things and do different tasks based on that? So I actually don't really care if it's overfitting. I'm going to use the bathroom real quick. Testing. Testing. Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day. If you're watching this video, you almost certainly do not have a Valentine's. Sorry. All right. So we're going to run this. We're just going to start on this page. We're trying to open Gmail, so this is just a basic test. I'm not even testing the differences between tasks right now. It's just like, okay, can we pop up there and open Gmail? We are, okay, yeah, so Gmail dot com, oh, misspelled Gmail. I don't know how that happened. Now it's apparently getting a mind of its own, but it's more or less working. I mean, it's clicking, converting, it's completing tasks, so that's fine. All right, so now what we're going to do is we'll say, I'm going to let this train, but I'm going to do more of these open Gmail tasks. Yeah, I'll do more of these open Gmail and compose new email tasks, but for now, come on. Okay. If random, we're about 100. There'll be a few more tasks then, but basically I want to, okay, whoops, kill this, so I'm just doing this because I have too many, oh, come on, let's go. Okay. And while that's doing, we're going to train a few more of my open Gmail tasks. Sorry, but that's what we have to do. Task recorder, and I forget exactly what we call it. Open Gmail and compose a new email. Okay. Here we go. Maybe, oh, the other thing I need to do is starting in 3, 2, 1. So I'll come over here, I'll click here, gmail.com, click here, hey Bill, F2, we're done. All right, kill that, let me just make sure we're working. So we are training. I'm going to allow it to overfit a little bit. Okay. Recording the open Gmail task. 3, 2, 1. Come over here. Click here. Gmail.com. Typing. Compose. Click here. Hey, Bill. F2. I typed gmail.com very fast. I'm also just curious. I'm gonna type slightly different emails to see maybe if it has an understanding of what it's up to. All right, record task starting in 3, 2, 1. Click here. Gmail.com. Just maybe 10 or so. F2. I'm not really composing an email. Record task, 3, 2, 1. Click. Gmail.com. Click on compose. Hey Bob. F2. Alright, record tasks starting in 3, 2, 1. I'll click here. Gmail.com. Compose. What's up, Bob? F2. Alright, let me just check. Maybe it's overfitting, I don't know. Alright, a few more. Let's just get a few more of these. There is actually a real task that I wanted to do that I have to do every day that's annoying. And I will train it on that. Okay. Core task, 3, 2, 1. Click here. Three, 2, 1. Compose. Yo, Bob. Let's get a few more. Okay, I'll do 3 more. Click. Compose. It's 1. It's 2. That's 3. Okay. Leave. All right, we'll cut this off. We will make sure, whoops. What is that? How many is that? 1, 2, 3. Upload those to my thing here, and then we'll move. In here. Come on. Oops, I need to kill this. So I need to process these logs. Let me test, see how we are with training on less data, and then I'll see how it does on more data. Okay. All right, let's see how it does. Huh. Nice. Okay, it messed up the gmail.com, but okay. it more or less worked. I think I just need a little more data. But oh yeah. So the other thing we got to try. Where are you? All right, click the blue box as fast as you can to get a high score in this game. Ah, cross up. All right, so we're going to change the task at hand to the grid game. See how we do. Oh, that's cool. Okay. That's working very well. Yeah. So now it's playing the grid game because we're telling it to do different tasks. So I like that. The grid game needs a little bit of work, but it's okay. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to kill this. I'm going to train it on everything. What am I doing? So the other thing I need to do is right now. So it types text okay. It seems to be able to click very obvious positions okay. I need to get a few more tasks. Checking something real quick. All right, that's really cool that that's working. I guess I could just start adding in more tasks and then just incrementally working out issues that it runs into. The other thing that I need to do, let me just. So we could do, well, this is in no particular order, but we need to get system to verify the action. If failed, change and repeat till success. So I think this we probably want to do a little bit later on, like when things get better. The next step would probably be add in more tasks and work out issues slash bugs, failures in task completion. So yeah, we basically want to get the system to a point where it's like, okay, it's working pretty good. We have, it's like, it's not validating things yet, but it's working pretty good on a variety of tasks. I'm open to suggestions if anyone has ideas on tasks they need to complete. So this is a silly task, but I think it would be good. One of the tasks I have to do is I use Restream to stream this video, and every day I just have to increment the episode that I'm on. So I could just say increment episode. So basically I'm just trying to think of some more tasks. So one failure modes / issues. We should maybe just get a list of these initially and then try to fix them. That way, if there's some good approach to fixing them, I can figure out the most simple solution. So one is on clicks. If there's a mouse, if there's a cursor, it just clicks the cursor. It makes sense. So it's standard. What other issues? That's the only hard one I know now. Okay. And then what will we call this? Also, we need to get a OCR processing system initially. And potentially an so, all right, yeah, I really feel like if I get, obviously got to work out all the little bugs, but I really feel like if I could get a good initial processing system and this verification system, this will be robust enough to really be valuable to people. If it's failing all the time, it just kind of sucks. All right, so I'm going to record a few more tasks. Let me see. Yeah, I'll do the restream one. That's like a real task that I want to have it do. And it's kind of hard. It's like a real world task. It's kind of hard. So, so here's the task. So open restream and increment the episode number. So let me just crap, this could be an issue training it because I'm going to do edit event. It's going to change. I'm going to have to, basically, I just need to change this title. I'm just trying to increment it to episode 2, episode 3, episode 4. So if this is 1, I'll select it, or I'll click here, go backspace. Yeah, I mean, this is going to be a tricky task. This task might be a little too hard. I'm actually going to do a simpler task to start because I'm worried about a few nuances of this, and I just want to get more basic stuff working. We have the grid game kind of working. We have it opening a Gmail. Let's, I'm going to do register my car in Colorado. We're going to, renew. Renew vehicle registration. Let me just try to think. The other thing I'm trying to figure out is, how long of a task you can complete. Next.